Hello to every one of you, and most welcome to this little talk on Uranus and the coming seminar. I will give a brief introduction to the different subjects that we will cover, and they are listed here. First, we will look into Uranus and magic. Also its relation to occultism. Then we will go into how Uranus organizes life, and most of us are familiar with the sentence "as above, so below," a sentence that astrologers do understand. And then we will dig into how Uranus organizes life in seven. And some of you are familiar with the seven rays in Theosophy. They refer to the seven chakras, the 7 days of the week, and the 7 corresponding planets, the 7 tones in the scale, the 7 colors in the rainbow, and so forth. Also, Uranus rules in Aquarius, but moreover, it rules in Libra and Aries, and that's something we will explain. It has certain dignities. We know it is exalted in Scorpio and that it falls in Taurus, where it is right now, and we will try to say something about that. The different planets, they relate to the different chakras, and in particular Uranus has a key role to play with regard to the sacral chakra. Some of you are familiar with the very interesting technique of local space, and we will look into how Uranus can be tracked in your local space charts so that you can see whereabout you can experience the full power of Uranus. Finally, we will give some examples on Uranus in transit, also with reference to your own charts. So these are some of the points that we will cover, and I hope to see many of you in the seminar.